Good morning, students. As you know that there are two books subscribed by CBSE in English literature. One is Honeysuckle and another is Supplementary. Today we will discuss the first chapter of Honeysuckle, which is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Do you know what is homework? Homework is a school work that is given at school to do at home. ऐसा काम, ऐसा वर्क जो स्कूल के द्वारा दिया जाए घर पे करने के लिए. And it is a practice work which helps students revise on what they have learned that day. और ये क्यों दिया जाता है? इसलिए दिया जाता है कि बच्चे, स्टूडेंट्स स्कूल में जो कुछ सीख चुके हैं उसको रिवाइज कर सके, उसको दोहरा सके. एंड होमवर्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज इट गिव्स अ चांस टू रिवाइज, टू मेमोराइज, टू लर्न अगेन द थिंग्स दे हैव लर्न फ्रॉम देयर टीचर इन द स्कूल. So without any further delay, let's start the lesson. Who did Patrick's homework? In this lesson, there are two characters, Patrick and an elf. What is an elf? An elf is a supernatural being. आप कह सकते हैं जादू जैसी कोई चीज, जैसे कि जादू. And this lesson is written by Carol Moore. Who is Carol Moore? Carol Moore is an American writer and educator and is also an advocate of children library. He was born on July 12th, 1817 in New York and died on 20th of January 1961. You must learn about the writer and the poet of the lesson or poem. So let's start the lesson. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus, but what could he do? He hated homework. Most of the students like to do homework, but there are someone who never like to do their homework. And in this story, there was a boy named Patrick who did not like to do his homework. He found it boring. He liked to play outdoor games just like hockey, basketball, and he was also fond of playing Nintendo. Nintendo is a video game. But he was very lazy in doing his homework. Although his teacher warned sometime that if he would not do his homework, he could not be able to do something in his future. But at the time of doing his homework, he found himself unable because he hated homework. He did not like homework. He had a feeling of hatred for homework. उसके टीचर्स को समझाते थे कि अगर वो होमवर्क नहीं करेगा तो फ्यूचर में वो भविष्य में कुछ कर नहीं पाएगा. बट It doesn't make any difference to him. इससे पैट्रिक को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it was not a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witch's. He yelled, "Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I grant you a wish I promise you that. One day, Patrick saw that his cat was playing with a little doll. As Patrick went nearer, he found that it was not a doll. Actually, it was a man of smallest size. वो कोई डॉल नहीं थी, वो एक बहुत ही छोटे आकार का, बहुत छोटे साइज का आदमी था. And that man was wearing a woolen shirt and old-fashioned trouser, and he was also having a hat on his head, which gave him a look of witch. उसने क्या पहन रखा था? एक वुलन शर्ट, एक ओल्ड-फैशन ट्राउजर, एक हैट. और हैट पहनने के बाद वो कैसा लग रहा था? एकदम विच के जैसा, चुड़ैल के जैसा. And as the man saw Patrick, he cried for saving him. जैसे उस आदमी ने पैट्रिक को देखा, वो चिल्लाया कि प्लीज सेव मी and don't give me back to the cat. The man requested him not to give him back to the cat. उसने कहा कि प्लीज मुझे कैट को वापस मत करो. And in return of this, he was ready to fulfill his wish. और उसने कहा कि अगर तुम, if you save my life, I will fulfill your wish. अगर तुम मेरी जान बचाते हो तो मैं बदले में तुम्हारी कोई विश पूरी कर दूंगा. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to tell all of his problems. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. Patrick hardly believed that he was such a fortunate person to get the solution of all his problems by the smallest man. उसने सोचा कि क्या मैं वाकई में इतना लकी हूँ कि छोटा सा आदमी मेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन दे सकता है. And he asked the man if he was able to do his homework at the end of the semester, that is a period of 35 days. उसने पूछा कि क्या तुम मेरा होमवर्क इस सेमेस्टर के एंड तक कर दोगे. और सेमेस्टर कितने डेज का था? 35 डेज का. Patrick thought that by the help of the elf, he could get A grade. He could score high grades. उसने सोचा कि अगर ये एल्फ मेरी मदद कर दे तो जरूर मैं A grade पा जाऊंगा. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scolded and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I'll do it. On hearing the proposal of Patrick, the elf, the smallest man, gave a look like a cloth lying down in the basket used for washing dishes. उसने अपना मुंह ऐसा बनाया जैसे कि कोई सिकुड़ा हुआ कपड़ा जो कि किसी बास्केट में पड़ा हो. और किस लिए यूज किया जाता हो? बर्तन पोंछने के. He showed his disapproval for doubling his fist, for kicking his legs, but after some time he agreed to do so. थोड़ी देर के लिए उसने डिसअप्रूवल दिया कि शायद मैं ऐसा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट एट लास्ट एल्फ एग्रीड टू फुलफिल पैट्रिक्स विश. वो तैयार हो गया. एंड ट्रू टू हिज वर्ड, दैट लिटिल एल्फ began to Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. The elf did not always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. And elf fulfilled his promise. And he started doing Patrick's homework. But there was some problem because Elf did not know all the subject. He was not master of all the subject. So often he used to call Patrick for help, and sometimes he found some word that was problematic, that was difficult for Elf to pronounce. कभी-कभी उसको कुछ ऐसे वर्ड मिल जाते कि जिनका उच्चारण करना उसके लिए कठिन हो जाता था. And at that time he called Patrick, and Patrick would had to stay nearby him. और पैट्रिक को क्या करना पड़ता था? उसके बगल में बैठना पड़ता था. And sometimes he also asked Patrick to bring dictionary from the library. कभी-कभी वो कहता था कि जाओ डिक्शनरी लाओ, so that I could find the meaning of that particular word, ताकि मैं ये जो वर्ड है इसकी मीनिंग पता लगा पाऊँ. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times tables? The elves replied, we elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it is a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and even you can help me read to them. And when it would be the turn of maths, the elf found himself unable, found himself helpless. और जब मैथ की बारी आती थी, गणित की बारी आती थी, एल्फ अपने आप को हेल्पलेस महसूस करता था. And in this matter, Patrick was unlucky, unfortunate, because he also did not know about maths. Elf asked him that elves didn't need mathematics in their life, even they did not know more about human history. That's why he often shouted at Patrick. उसने बताया पैट्रिक को कि हम एल्फ्स को मैथमेटिक्स की बहुत जरूरत नहीं पड़ती और हम ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री के बारे में बहुत नहीं जान सकते. So I need some books and you have to sit beside me so that I can ask for your help. और तुम्हें मेरे बगल बैठना पड़ेगा ताकि मैं तुम्हारी मदद मांग सकूं and I could perform the work in a proper manner. और मैं तुम्हारा सारा काम एक अच्छे तरीके से कर पाऊं. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and glaring. अब क्या हुआ? Every day, means daily, elf asked for Patrick's help and he was irritating Patrick. And before this, Patrick never felt so tired. He could not sleep for so many nights. बहुत रातों से वो सो नहीं पा रहा था. He felt very irritating. He felt very exhausted. बहुत थका हुआ महसूस करने लगा था. And he had to stay beside the elf to complete his homework. उसको एल्फ के बगल में बैठना पड़ रहा था अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करवाने के लिए. And he had never worked so hard before this. और आज के पहले पैट्रिक ने कभी अपना काम इतने अच्छे से नहीं किया था. And while going to school, his eyes looked very dull. उसकी आंखें एकदम डल बुझी-बुझी सी लग रही थी. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slowly slipped out the back door. And finally the day came when all the homework was completed and there was complete freedom for the elf to go anywhere. Finally, पैट्रिक का होमवर्क कंप्लीट हो गया और वो आज़ाद था कहीं भी इधर-उधर जाने के लिए, because there was nothing to do. अब कुछ करने के लिए बचा नहीं था. Then he quietly left the room. धीरे से रूम से बाहर चला गया. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered that what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. And when Patrick reached school, he found that he has got A grade. And all his classmates were full of surprise and teachers were appreciating him. सब उसकी तारीफ कर रहे थे. And his parents were also very surprised. And he became an exemplary child. और बच्चों के लिए एक उदाहरण बन गया. Who did all his homework himself. Who did all his work himself. एक ऐसा उदाहरण, एक ऐसा exemplary child जो कि अपना सारा काम खुद करता था. And the child who was polite to everyone, जो सबके लिए polite था. And in this way, Patrick had developed a complete new attitude, complete new behavior, and actually, it wouldn't be exaggeration if I say that there was a new Patrick. एक नया Patrick हम सबके सामने था. Yes, you see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But I share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. While finishing the story, while understanding the whole story, we found that Patrick thought that elf had done his homework, but it is not the elf. It is the Patrick himself who had completed his homework, and that was the secret of his success. That is the story. That is the summary of the lesson. And at the end of the lesson, you find that this is a very wonderful story which has expressed and magical realism in a very beautiful manner. This story conveys the message that self-help works wonder. अगर हम खुद अपनी मदद करते हैं तो हम कोई भी चमत्कार कर सकते हैं. Thank you and have a nice day.